How to set up email in Outlook. Want all your emails to end tidy? Let's set up your email in Outlook. Syncing account, adding signature, or customizing notification so you never miss a message and always professional. Open Outlook and then go to settings where you can see accounts, automatic reply, signature, category, mobile device, storage. You can add an automatic reply so that whenever you get free, you can say, hey, got your email, got your mail, will reply soon as I get time. Like this, you can look professional and the people won't get offended as well. Or you can even add signature, and many things can be done from Outlook. It's much more easier to use and simple and more professional to use.